using our DX1 model, which is super secure, and we train it on how to talk to JobTra, how to talk to contractors, and how to specifically use this agents thing to like try to continue to run and solve tasks by itself without you interfering as much as possible. When it truly gets stuck, it needs some help. Because AI it's the smartest person in the world, but you have to talk to it like a human and treat it like a kindergartner, telling it like what to do and be very specific about it. I've got this estimate builder. When a new lead comes in, this has its own email. I send it to there. When a PO, I need to create a PO. Vendors send me their invoices. I create POs off those. Grammar checker runs on a webhook from JobTra. Every time a document or daily log is created inside of JobTra, I run this little grammar checker to look at the comment and daily log, fix the grammar to be more professional, while still capturing the essence and emotion of the content.